Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Lloyds app keeps crashing or freezing, begin by closing the app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Lloyds app, and then swipe it away. Wait for a few while and then reopen it. Then restart your phone to clear system memory and refresh a running application. Next, you're going to go ahead and head over to your app store, search for the Lloyds mobile banking, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so always update your app. Then, if the app freezes during login, try disabling biometric login temporarily and sign in using your password instead. On Android devices, clearing the app cache can help fix freezing issues. If the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall the app to reset it fully, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.